guys, good morning. So today I'm here with my sister because it is filming day today, and we are going to be filming a lot of videos and as well kind of ish have fun, right?
We're gonna have fun today.
Yeah, so I booked in a room in a hotel. Yep. And yeah, that's it. First time again that I'm going to go and ride on a jeepney, and I'm excited.
She's asking for a taxi, but no.
We're walking at the side of the road.
I should like public transport more.
Yeah. Okay, so good morning, Mano. You know it's like really early when you guys are the only one at the mall. Okay, so my hair is a mess right now, but I just did like the whole basic checkup, so that's exactly what and now I'm just waiting for the doctor. Okay, you guys, so I'm at my sister's place right now, and we're actually putting in the work. Laura's working there, and I'm working over here as well because, you know, hashtag hustle. We're still waiting to check in later at the hotel. Guys, we decided to eat here at Yellow Cab together with Mano. My personal favorite. Yeah. Alright, so we're staying here. Yeah, guys, we're here. Guys, so this is what their place looks like. They have this really nice place here as well, which is so cool. There's the stairs going up. I was like, do you want to take the stairs? But then there's an elevator here. So we're gonna take advantage of it. Uh-huh. Husband and wife, look here. Oh, that's pretty. 209. Okay. Ooh, nice. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh, sorry. Oh, this is so cute. I'm gonna give you all kind of like a room tour of this place. So when you enter in, you'll have this like bed right there. It's kind of like a vanity area. The only thing though, it's like open, but that's totally fine. And then in here you have TV, some things where you can hang your clothes, your jackets. But we don't have that because it's very hot in the Philippines. And then you have that chair right there, a lamp, a Bible. Then let's see our view. We have this view outside. Not bad, not bad though. I like the ambience of this place. Yeah. No, diba?
I was expecting
Wow, cool. We have like that, and then you have a mini fridge. That's so nice. And in here you have the bathroom. And we have a tub and a shower. Woo! Thank God for aircon. This is what we need here in the Philippines. We're friends. I'm curious, what is inside? No, there's nothing. There's nothing. I'm not really a Starbucks person, but I just like their hot chocolate, so I'm gonna do that. Today, I felt productive. First thing in the morning is I had my blood checked. I did like an overall checkup, got my recommendation and all that. So that one is done because that is going to be like the a series on the video that I'm going to be making. And after that, I actually was just editing my video and all. We had lunch. We just filmed one video with my sister, and we're gonna be filming 2 videos after dinner, and then after that I'm gonna go back and edit some more videos on my laptop so I can upload a video tomorrow. So you know what, this is the YouTuber life. You know, sometimes when people say like, oh, you know, you just upload videos on YouTube, or like doing the whole YouTube thing is easy, I'm like, hello, are you kidding me? It's not. Especially when you're putting up videos that are fully packed with information. and tutorials and like how-tos. It's not that easy compared to just, you know, like this vlogging. This is like effortless for me to do because all I have to do is talk and like vlog stuff. This is why I like vlogging, because for the whole reason of it's so effortless and it's just spontaneous. Telling my sister that this like area right here is also so filmable. Guys, so we're in the bathroom and we are going to be trying out all of these stuff right here. So I'm super excited with these products that I wanted to try out because these are really great for repairing the hair. So I'm gonna do it and my sister is also going to be trying it out. So yeah, that is it. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna give you a little bit of like kind of ish hotel tour. Here we go. Going down. Laura, there's only one thing I can say to you. Don't hate me because you ain't me. Go out. So we decided to eat here at Argos. Go ahead. This is their menu. Currently waiting for the food. My sister's having the mango juice and my brother-in-law and I are having red tea. That's for Manong McCoy.
What is that?
Yeah. I always like watching cooking like videos. I just washed my hair and I used some hair care products that you will all see very soon. And my hair smells really good and my hair feels super soft right now. And it's not completely dry yet. I'm still aircon fan drying it. You will actually see that technique on that video when that video comes out. So yep, that's it. So we're gonna go outside and eat, and then when we come back we are going to be filming again. The filming life.
It's gonna be the busiest day today.
Yes. Oh, look at this place right here. Oh, nice pine trees. That's what the whole place looks like in the morning. She's so tired. You can do it, little Laura. Work those legs that God has given you. We're having lunch again. So that's the agenda for today. Just eat lunch. This calamansi infused water. Is it infused in the water? No. It's really calamansi juice. Tastes really good. I ordered some green mangoes, but I didn't know that. Yeah. I can see my friends there, so I'm not gonna eat that. Rice and pancit. Still waiting for the eggplant. There you go. Let's eat. She's working, and I'll be working later. I'm actually drinking hot chocolate. I actually want to work in like editing videos. It's just that I don't have the files here because my camera is not here. So that's why I'm taking a break.